We out here, people, in the middle of Spain, Murcia. There's no nightclubs here. There's no restaurants. There's a boxing ring and loads of fighters. We train 3 times a day. He's already done his morning run, 7 a.m. Now we're gonna do some shadow boxing and we're gonna do some pad work for an hour. Torture of the human brain and body. Get used to it. And then the big one later, people, 2 hours of sparring, competition. Competitive sparring. Keep your chin down, son. Step in. Hat, combos. Don't forget, mash up the likes, people. Subscribe to the channel. We've got 1 million views and no subscribers. Do you want to see this guy go to the top? Remember, whoever supports us now, we will never forget. You will be getting free tickets to the O2. Free tickets to Wembley. Guys, keep it up, keep it up.